Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be an updated room tour. So my room is in the attic. So these are the stairs to go down. And when you come up, you see that little frame is from Dollar Tree. So this is my entrance right here. So you go to like a little step. And that right there is all flowers. All those containers are full with flowers. And that little sign right there, keep life simple. So freaking cute. That's from Dollar Tree. That thing with flowers, I made that. And those are all Dollar Tree flowers with like the candlestick holders. And then we got that there. And then this wall here, it's still kind of plain. I still have to decorate like the sides, but that's usually like all the stuff, like some of my swaps. That's my Cricut Expression, all my cartridges. So that's there. I'm trying to move slowly. So that's to go down. So that was that's what that piece looks like there. And then that there is where I keep all my flowers. That was a gift from Josie. And I just love this rack. So this is where I keep all my flowers. And usually I do project share videos showing the cards I made. And then right there, he is from Marshalls. I thought he was very cute and very crafty with all his little pom-poms. And my intentions here was to fill this whole wall there with those flowers from Hobby Lobby, but those flowers are expensive, so I kind of stopped there. And then I got that little shelf there with all these cute little things. So that was super cute. Just showing you. And it's funny because this desk right here, I do not use this desk. It's basically just collecting stuff. So that's what that looks there. And then that right there, I have these two containers from Michaels. This one right here is completely filled with bling. That one right there is like sequins and like beads and stuff like that. And then that cart right here is my Anna Griffin cart. So all that is Anna Griffin. So then when we walk, I have that door there. And I'm just going to show you what's inside. So when we open that door, those are my dies from AliExpress. Some of them. And this is my storage room. I don't have a light in here and I'm still trying to organize. But that's what this looks like. A little sewing machine that I never use. Keeps getting stuck. And this side there. That is my Silhouette Cameo that's still in the bag. I have not taken him out. And then all those boxes, little by little, I'm just labeling them and putting everything on top. So this is a room that when I buy something, I just throw it in there. So let me close that one. This side here, then this one here is my stamp wall. So this is all my collection of stamps. Super cute. And then this side of my table, this side right here is all paper. And that little cart there, this is where I stand usually when I'm crafting. I'm always standing on this side. So that cart, I have like little baggies and tape and my little cutter. And this section here, that green container has all my Alina dies. And this part right here, usually I just keep like some of the papers that I'm going to use and I put it on top of there. That container right there and the floor is dies and stamps that I don't use. Some of them are brand new and it's just because I have to do a de-stash video. And then this cart right there is more dies. That's dies from AliExpress. And then this one here, I started organizing by like company. So we got that. All my big dies are on this table, and that's my little embosser. And then all of these, I have 4 Alex drawers. This is where I keep all my punchers. Just show you. This is, I have like 3 drawers. It's just with memory keepers. But just to give you an idea, this is where I keep all my punchers. So all that. Okay. And then here, I have this wall there. And this is where I started organizing my dies. So it's by like, some is by companies, some is just like by little categories. But these are all my dies. These are my embossing folders right there. Some beads, all my washi tape. And then right here I have another cart with more stuff. A cart there of just stickers. I have a window there. And then this section here is all my like planner stickers. And these are my daughters. She was like huge Nicki Minaj. So I was buying her all the perfumes, and then she got over her. She wanted to throw them away. I was like, no, I'll take it. Okay, so this drawer right here, one is all Dollar Tree and the other one is all Target. Just a mix of stuff. And then this wall here, those are my little paintings. Aren't they cute? And then here is just all like my little paints. I think there are flowers. And that my husband made for me. It was cute. Dollar Tree flowers. And then that section there is like my supply room. So I'm always going in and out of here. So in here, that table is when I'm making, like I'm working on projects and I'm kind of done or almost done. I just put them on there and then I kind of organize it. And then all right there, those are all my wrapping paper. And in this section here is all like supplies. So we got all my ribbons there. And I got that from Home Depot. But the sections on the side, that's from my cart. I decided to add it here instead. And then over there, it's just more supplies and stuff like that. Okay. The same as over there. All my card kits. I have in those pink containers, like one is all tulle, the other one is all like shredded paper, tissues and stuff. And then the one on top is all yarns. That corner over there is all like glitters and everything. Everything's still, some of them are still in packages. And all my post office stuff is right there in the middle. So then when we're walking, I'm trying to do this slow. This section here, look at my Christmas tree. So this section here is, again, more supplies that I just buy and you just throw it over here or whatever. And then this box right here is all bags. Like, I'm obsessed with buying bags. And then we got that. Everything, a lot of stuff is from the Dollar Tree. That when I find stuff, I just buy like tons of it and put it away because, you know, you're going to use it eventually. And then that is my main desk right there. And it's a mess. I left everything as is. I didn't want to make it look cute. So this is what you see. This is what I come in and I see this mess all the time. This is my Big Shot. And you see how I just make stuff and put it on top of my machines? Like, look at, this is my brother scan machine. And look at all the stuff I use. Everything's like all my little projects on top. So, and then this side is like lamination machines, my cinch, more machines. That box is full of flowers. This chair is from Amazon. I think I paid like $75 for that chair. And I only bought it because it was pink, because my whole room is pink. And then here, oh my God, this is a mess. This is when I cut, my spellbinders died yesterday, so I had to use my Cut-A-Bug. But not crazy about it. So this is all paper, and then when I don't, like, I stop using it or whatever, it goes in the garbage. And then this section here, I thought it was so cute. And this is where I keep all, like, this type of ribbon, all my cute yarn with the pom-poms. Look how cute. And that is it, guys. This is what my room looks like. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Like, I wish I could just live up here, you know? But that's it. And my only complaint, like in the summer, it gets so hot, but I will be putting an air conditioner there. And that is it. This is what my room looks like. So I hope you guys like it. This is like, I just want to live there. It makes me happy. So this is my happy spot. Okay, guys, I will talk to you guys later. And